Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind everyone. This is Ananya, your master teacher at Vedantu for Social Science. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself. So, students, first of all, if you guys are new to Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel, so let me welcome you guys to the family of Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video and the channel with all your friends. All right, chalo. So, cool guys, what are we going to do in this session? Let's understand people. In this particular session I'm going to teach you about the Quit India movement. All right, so if you remember guys, in my previous video I already started with the Gandhian era. What was Gandhian era guys? Gandhian era was the era between 1915 to 1947. All right, so at that time Gandhiji was a dominant like freedom fighter. So it is also known as Gandhian era. Okay, guys, during his entire freedom struggle, he basically started three movements: non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and Quit India movement, in which we already completed non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement. Okay, today I'm going to tell you about the Quit India movement. So non-cooperation and civil disobedience is already completed. All right, now first of all, guys, let me tell you, I'm very, very proud to tell you that Vedantu students are actually unstoppable. Guys, in JEE mains third attempt result, students have scored 100 percentile. Yes. So that is ultimate, guys. That is ultimate. So people, you guys can also be a part of Vedantu's pro courses. You can take our pro subscriptions and you can also achieve anything you want related to academics. So, guys, if we talk about the Quit India movement, guys, this movement was also known as August movement. Why? Because the resolution of Quit India movement was accepted in the month of August 1942. That is, to be very specific, 9th of August 1942, this movement started. So that is why it was also known as August movement. People at that time, the world was engaged into Second World War. Especially if we talk about the European countries, they were engaged into Second World War. But guys, Second World War was not only between the European nations, but this time the other countries were also involved, coming from different continents like Asia. So guys, England was a direct participant of Second World War, and England was also ruling India. Okay. So guys, what led to the start of this Quit India movement? How it is associated with Second World War? Let's understand. Guys, at that time, first of all, in October 1939, like the movement started in the Second World War started in 1st of September 1939. Guys, in October 1939, our Congress ministers resigned. Why? Do you know what England did? England declared in Europe that India is going to side India. Okay, is going to support India India is going to support England in Second World War. So without any consultations from Indians, without any discussions with Indians, they declared that India is going to support England in Second World War. So one of the major reason why the Quit India movement was started. And guess when the Congress leaders resigned, Muslim League were very, very happy. They were extremely happy. In fact, they set this date, they celebrated this day as the day of deliverance or the Thanksgiving Day. In 1940, Muslim League was a separate political party. They finally declared that we want a separate state, separate country for our existence. And guys, Barrister Jinnah was the person who coined the name as Pakistan. Now, guys, when the Second World War was going on, there was a lot of discussion with the British government, and finally, everybody came to a conclusion that there should be a settlement between British government and the Congress. Okay, so guys, at that time, the Viceroy of India was Lord Linlithgow. He finally offered something to Indians. The offer was also known as August offer because this offer was given in the month of August. Now, what was there in this offer? They offered that once the Second World War will end, India will be given a dominant status. Now, people, what is the meaning of dominant status? Yes, dominant status means major section of the administration will be there with the Britishers, but some part of the administration will be transferred to the Indian representatives. Again, try to understand. Complete independence was not mentioned. They mentioned giving India the dominant status. So it led to Quit India movement, the start of Quit India movement. The very first reason, guys, we are going to have a discussion on the causes of Quit India movement was the Cripps mission. Now, guys, who was Sir Stafford Cripps? Guys, he was a diplomat from England. He came into India in March 1942 when Second World War was going on. When he came into India, he came up with the plan. Okay, the plan which he came up with came to be known as Cripps mission. Through this plan, he proposed India that India will be given a dominant status, but it did not propose any immediate transfer of power. Followed by this was the Japanese threat. In 1942, the Japanese army attacked Myanmar and they were approaching India. The threat of Japanese invasion of India convinced the Indian leaders that for India's safety, Britishers should leave India. Just because of Britishers, they are there in India, Japanese are invading India. So Gandhiji believed that the presence of British in India was an invitation to Japan to invade India. So Gandhiji asked the Britishers to quit India, not requested. All right. Now, guess what happened next? Before I tell you the story of what happened next, let me tell you guys how you guys can take our pro subscription. First of all, guys, Vedantu is giving you a promise. The promise is improvement promise, which says as guys, I want you to listen to me very, very carefully for the next few minutes. It will definitely help you guys. This is my guarantee. Now, guys, Vedantu is giving you a promise. The promise is improvement promise. Now, what is improvement promise? Guys, let's say you took our pro subscription for our entire year. And let's say after the entire year, the performance which you expected, okay, if the performance is not as per your expectations, so whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be given back to you. Yes, this promise is known as improvement promise. No other online or no other offline institute will ever give you this promise. But there are many other reasons also for taking our pro subscription. First of all, unlimited live classes. Guys, on Vedantu's platform, if you take our pro subscriptions, all the classes are going to be live. And you people are very well aware like what are the advantages of live sessions as compared to recordings. Because on YouTube, you will get a mix of live and pre-made sessions. But over there, every session is going to be live. And guys, while you attend these live sessions, we take many quizzes. While you participate in these live sessions, in these quizzes, you actually participate with the students throughout the world. Because students in Vedantu are not only from India, they are from different countries also. Okay. If you miss out the session due to any reason, be it power cut or poor connectivity, or maybe due to any family function, you can watch the replay. And people, these replays are going to be interactive replays. What are interactive replays? While watching the replay, you can participate in the quizzes. You can find your name on the leaderboard. So it is basically like a live session. Okay. What about notes? You will have this question. People, you guys can download all the notes which are made by your master teachers. Yes. What about doubts? On YouTube, it is way too difficult for you guys to ask doubts to your master teachers. Over there, you guys can you can ask unlimited doubts during the session, after the session also. Yes, continuously tests are taken, assignments are given to you. Not only this, you will get access to micro courses and crash courses. People, what are micro courses? Topic specific courses. Let's say you already attended one chapter in physics, let's say. Now, once again, you wish to attend a live session of that topic. You can enroll to the micro course of that topic. How many micro courses? n number of micro courses. Crash courses. Guys, we take many crash courses. These are basically revision courses, like we have started NTSC crash course. So the students who have not taken our pro subscription, they actually buy these micro courses and crash courses. For our pro subscriber students, it is going to be absolutely free. For our pro students, it is going to be absolutely free, and that too unlimited. Okay, so I hope now you're getting the reason why you should take our pro subscription. So it's very simple, guys. How you can take this subscription? The link is there in the description box, and you will also find the very first comment which is pinned in the comment section. I will show you how you can take this subscription. You can use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off on all our plans. How it can be done? Let me guide you. Okay, this is let's say this is one of my video. All right, let's say this is one of my video. All right, either you can go to show more. Okay, like you can go to show more. You can see subscribe to Vedantu's courses now. Click the link below and get additional 10% off. Just click over here. You can see the website. You have to select the class. You have to select your grade. Target exam is ICSE 10. You can see the plans. Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. People, what is the difference between these three? Whatever benefits I said you till now, like live classes, doubt solving during the session, assignments, notes can be downloaded, okay, session replays are available. All these you will find in our Pro Lite. Okay. If you wish that you should have an access to doubts, like solving of doubts after the session also. Like if you came across any questions after the session, in that case you can take our Pro Classic subscription. Here you will get a doubts app on mobile. So what is doubts app? You guys can ask doubts after the session also. That is post class engagement. Guys, in our Pro Plus, you will get a personal mentor. Who is a personal mentor? Guys, personal mentor is a person who will be assigned just for you to help you with all your queries, will give you one-on-one guidance, will help you with all your academic related queries. So guys, according to your need, you can choose any of the plan. Guys, the best part is like you can try it for 1 month. Guys, if you look at the actual price of this course, it is 30,500 for entire year, guys. Still, it is very less. For entire year, it is 30,500. But you can also try it for 1 month for 2,600. Okay. Now let me tell you something. If you apply my code as AD Pro, you will get flat 10% off on all our plans. Flat. Okay. Guys, how many times you can try it for 1 month? Only one time. Acha, what after that? Yes, after that you have to take our long-term courses for entire year, but we will give you EMI option also, wherein you can pay monthly with at only 2,287 rupees per month. So guys, all the plans are available in 1 month also. EMI option is there. You can use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off. Guys, how you can download the notes? Like once you take our pro subscription, guys, you will get such kind of dashboard. So whatever past sessions you have attended, you just have to click on this tab. You will get past sessions. Just click on these past sessions. You can watch the replays. Like for example, this is how you can see. We are also taking quizzes. All right, so you can watch the replays, then you can download the notes as well. Just click on get notes. You guys can download the notes. All these notes are made by the master teachers, guys. Yes, from here you can download the notes. Okay, so guys, there are many advantages of taking our pro subscription. Guys, what I believe that whatever fees you actually give to Vedantu is actually justified. First of all, the fees is very less. Secondly, guys, we are not taking anything extra for the micro courses and crash courses, which students actually pay extra for these micro courses and crash courses. It is going to be absolutely free for you. So the more number of sessions you will attend, the lesser the price for every lecture will come. Okay. And guys, the ultimate thing which I already said about the promise, if improvement doesn't take place as per your expectations, so whatever fees you have given to Vedantu, entire fees will be returned back to you without asking any question. But guys, promise comes with some commitment. So guys, promise comes up with some commitment. The commitment is you have to attend minimum 75% of the live classes, and whatever tests are assigned to you, you have to attend minimum 75% of the test. So if you give us such promise, if you give us such commitment, we will give you the promise of improvement. Simple as that. All right, people. So you guys can have a look on this. The link is there in the description box. Check out the link. Use my code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off. Okay, people. Let's continue with the Quit India resolution. Now, guys, this Quit India resolution was accepted in the month of August 8, 1942 in Mumbai. But the Congress Working Committee adopted the Quit India Movement resolution in Wardha in July 1942, which is a city in Maharashtra. Finally, the All India Congress Committee gave its green signal to this Quit India movement on 8th of August 1942 at Mumbai. That's how Britishers responded. Guys, the British put down the movement with violent behavior. Gandhiji and other important leaders were arrested. They were put behind the bars. Congress political party was declared as illegal. So guys, what was the impact of this Quit India movement? First of all, it made it clear for the Indians that the British would no longer find it possible to rule India against the wishes of its people. Secondly, people of all sections of the society participated in this movement. So from young to old, everybody participated in this movement. What happened next? I know you people are curious to know that. I will tell you in the next video. Okay, guys, this is my weekly schedule. Pause the video, take the screenshot, and be a part of each and every session of mine. The link is there in the description box for the Telegram group. You guys can also join our Telegram group. And if you wish to take our pro subscription, I already guided you how you guys can take our pro subscription. Use my coupon code as ADPRO to get flat 10% off. So thank you so much, guys, for attending my session. I hope you had a great time. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.